What's going on, HPP fam? We back in the shop, back at it, hard at work. Today we've got this 2017 Honda Civic and for some aero stuff. Technical aero stuff. But as you can see, this thing's already got some goodies on it. Carbon fenders, carbon hood, got some, looks like some forged carbon mirror caps. Sitting on some nice wheels, got some coilovers or lowering springs on it, I'm not sure, haven't looked. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing on the rack, get everything unboxed, and I'll show you what we got for it. So guys, as you can see, we've got our aero kit pretty much all laid out. We've got our front splitter, our side skirts, our rear diffuser, rear winglets, and then inside that little box there we've got some struts for the front end. Got this thing up in the air and kind of laid some of the pieces up against here to see how they're gonna fit up. And definitely got our work cut out for us on this one. So we'll go ahead and start unbolting some stuff and taking stuff apart. Start getting this aero kit installed. Just like that, we got our rear section pretty much done. So we've got our rear winglets on. They didn't provide hardware, so we put hardware here, we got that situated, and then we mounted hardware on our middle diffuser, and then right here, same deal, winglet bolted up. So all we got to do on the back here is there's a hole here and a hole here we're going to add. We've got to drill in through the trunk, and right now with the car up in the air, I don't know if it's got anything in the trunk. So when we come back down, we'll clear the trunk out, and then I'll drill these final two holes, and then this will be finished up. And then we've got our our side skirts kind of mocked up where they're gonna go. Everything looks good, so we're gonna go ahead and start screwing those in. Do the same thing, repeat the same process on the other side, and then we'll get our front bumper off so that way we can put on our chin spoiler. As you can see, we've got the front chin spoiler on now. We went ahead and put the support beam on the splitter as the customer requested in the locations that he wanted them. I think it looks good. So we go ahead and get this thing wrapped up, get her wiped down, and then I'll get you guys some shots of what this looks like all complete. Alright guys, check it out. Man, looking sharp. So just kind of recap, we did this lower diffuser here, we did the winglets on both sides, then we did the side skirts, both sides, and did this front chin spoiler with the support rods. Man, this little Civic though is looking sharp. Looks really good. I'm sure the customer will be happy with it. I'll hit him up here in a minute so he can come get her. But I really like the way this one turned out. You know me, I'm a sucker for blue. I love me some blue cars. You know what I'm saying? Love me some blue cars. That's purple, but hey. So, anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the footage. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.